Hi everyone, it's Bren with Addicted to Cricut, bringing you another Cricut tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about how to create stencils with any font. I have an elderly woman who embroiders and makes quilts, and she needs the name of a baby that she's making a quilt for. And she's very particular about the kind of font that she wants, but I am going to cut this out on a piece of cardstock, which means that all the letters will be taken out. So the white will be left and the letters will be gone. So then she can trace around them and then embroider them. The problem is that if you don't have a stencil font, which she didn't like any of those, you're going to lose the middle of your B and the middle of your A. And so I'm going to show you how you can make any make any font a stencil. So here is my name, and I'm going to just grab a shape. I'm just going to grab a square because I'm going to create the stencils using that. I am going to unlock it, and hopefully I can move it any way I want. Okay, this is what I want. I want to make a line like that, okay? Because basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to make a line, which that's what the stencils do. Stencils have open pieces that create bridges so that you don't lose those letters. So I think I'm going to make this a little bit wider, okay? Now I'm going to do this one letter at a time because I'm going to slice them out, and when I do that, I can only slice two things. So the name and the one bar. So let's try that. So I've got my bar in here where I want it. It's not really a big deal because she's just going to come in and she's going to fill in those lines. So I've got my bar. Now I'm going to highlight the whole word, and I'm going to come down here to the bottom. Do you see on the right hand side where it says slice? I'm going to click that, and it's going to slice that piece out. So we're going to be creating a bridge. And my computer is moving very slow today. I have asked it kindly to move faster, but it's not. Okay, I think we're done. So we can get rid of all of this, delete that, and now we've got this bridge, okay? I don't like that. I want to do that again. Can I do that again? I'm gonna hit the back button several times and see if I can do that again. The reason I didn't like that is because some of the O, the circle on the B was like not cut out. So let's do that again. So I moved it up a little bit. Whoops, come back here, sweetie pie. I'm going to highlight my word. Oops, it's not telling me that I can do that. I'm telling you, this Cricut's being really fussy today. Okay, so now I'm going to come back down to slice. I'm going to slice out that piece, I think. I'll just have some coffee while I wait. Okay, I'm just going to move the name up so that I can highlight all of those pieces because there's like 3 or 4 pieces in there, and get rid of it. Now let's go to make it and see what this looks like. Oh, cancel. Let's make the name a little smaller. That'll probably help. Okay, make it. Okay, so you see here, it's going to actually cut around all that and leave this connected. So your O is connected. So let's cancel that. Let's go back and let's do the A also. So I'm going to get a shape, square. Okay, I'm going to unlock it up here. And that way I can do whatever I want with this size. And I'm going to do that, just like that. And I'm going to highlight the word, and I'm going to come back down here to slice. Okay. So let's get rid of that. Now what I want to do to cut this out for her is I'm going to put a a weeding box around it is what I call it. So right now, oops, wait a minute, we forgot about the A. We got to do the A too. Get our square. Unlock up here the square so that I can do whatever I want with it. And then I'm going to, I think I'm going to put it down the middle like that. Okay. Let's highlight it, slice it. Wow, this is moving slow. Okay. Delete that. And let's make this a whole lot smaller. And I'm going to add another shape. I'm going to get a square. I'm going to unlock it. I'm going to move it to the back because I'm going to actually put it around this box or this text so that when it cuts it out, and then I'm going to attach these, which tells Cricut, do it just like this. Okay, now let's go and make it and see what it looks like. Move me out of the way. Okay, so it's going to cut it. It's going to cut a box around it so that when I lift it up for that stencil for her, it'll all be together. Okay, that's it. That's how you make stencils out of any font. It's really very easy. And it's so nice because we use stencils a lot. I mean, when we are doing our crafting, we need those inner letters. You know, for instance, if you do anything like, if you're going to make a doormat and you want to spray paint it, and so you're cutting out that stencil, you need those extra pieces, the middle of your words, to stay together. Anyway, go and do that and try it out and see. It's a good thing to know. That's for sure. Okay, happy crafting. Bye.